Welcome to our afternoon. Hogback Mountain, MJ, Victory Mike. Oh, Peach.
Home point updated. Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay, I am in normal mode. There's the intro I wanted.
Landing.
We'll take that as a landing. Oh, that was right through the trees like a freaking sight. That was right at the camera. That was cool. All right, I'm taking it out of. All right, we're landing in the goggles. I hope it's on the spot.
On the spot.
On the spot, baby. In the goggles even.
Yeah.
Yeah. Recording stopped. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. I like it. All right, I'm figuring stuff out.
Take off.
All right, we're gonna go into sport mode since we're there's no real obstacles, so to speak. Yeah, we're jamming along at 36 miles an hour. Well, I'm already over that ridge over there. Let's see, what is my RC? Is 4 bars. It does not say megabits. Oh, stop that. I'm already almost there. 5,900 feet away. Taking any bets if anybody's up there, MJ?
I say 2 people. 2 people.
You think there's going to be people
2
up
to
there?
3 people.
Dude. Oh, I'm still in sport mode too, so I have obstacle avoidance off. Don't let me forget that, MJ.
Huh?
Don't let me forget I'm in sport mode. Obstacle avoidance is off right now with this, but I'm open flying. Yeah, I got way big bars on this, no issues. I'm over by Wetmore Pond now. 75% battery. Should I test how low I can go? Oh, it looks like there's somebody at Wetmore Pond.
There is?
Oh yeah, there's a couple of somebodies at Wetmore Pond. On that little overlook on the dock that's there, the little
Yeah.
dock that's out in the pond, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went all the way down to it and I didn't even lose a bar. Before I was losing bars. So that's good. Yeah, this is way better as far as signal strength than the goggles and the RC controller. Just a little bit. So it makes this thing have the better range, which is what I want. All right, coming up on Sugarloaf. 5-minute flight, 64% battery. %52 battery, 6,200 feet away. I got Presque Isle in the background. It's kind of cool. Little Presque Isle, I mean. We're coming right back. There ain't nothing around over there. We're good. Go down to the beach. 48% battery. Coming out over the beach. Oop, RC's dropping into the orange. I'm freaking down in the... Yeah, I'm kind of pushing line of sight here. So we'll head back up. There's not hardly anybody on the beach. Can you believe that, Michael Jack? 37% battery. That's a flight to Hogback Mountain, Sugarloaf Mountain, and back. 9 minutes. 34 miles an hour right now. 600 feet away. I'm going back into normal mode. 22 miles an hour, 24 miles an hour. Oop, coming up on trees. I'm right here. 33% battery. Smile for the camera. Woo, she's fast, baby. She's fast. She's fast. All right, we're gonna stop our recording. And
Landing.
yeah, that's good enough. We'll take that. Nice, baby.